Valentine's Day reading. This is for Gemini. We have the Seven of Wands, the Eight of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Sabihin natin medyo close to obsession pero hindi pa naman, no? Konting-konti na lang, no? Kasi parang kaya meron tayong mga bagay na palagi nating iniisip, whether this is you or si person, no? Lagi kang nasa isip or laging nasa isip mo si person. It felt like meron ditong somewhat gap or separation. I think that someone here is strategizing how am I going to hold on this connection? How are we going to continue the connection even with the separation? Whether this is physical or energetic, I think that someone here is medyo also wanting to adjust something. Pwedeng invention, reinvention also, pwede itong mga adjustments nga na gagawin to make the relationship work, no? So this is your Valentine's Day reading, Gemini.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.